Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off and turn on stolen device protection in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and try to turn off or turn on stolen device protection, so in this video I will show you that how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to go back. So guys, after this scroll it down, and from here you will see the option of Face ID and password. Here you need to enter your iPhone passcode, and here you will see the option of stolen device protection. First of all guys, you need to turn on your Face ID. If you have turned it off, then you need to click on it, and you can easily turn on and turn off from here. So guys, this is the way to turn off and turn on stolen device protection. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.